Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your password in a Remitly account. So you can see this is Remitly. What you need to do, you need to click here on the settings down arrow option and click settings, and wait a second for getting the page fully, and scroll down a little bit. Then here we'll see the option password. Okay, so simply click on the edit option, then you will see three in empty box here. The first option is current password, which is accompany now your password, so you have to give your password. If you forget your password, then you have to log out, and then you will see the forget the password, and then you can reset your password through this that things. I already create the videos how to reset your password, so you can watch if you face any problem. And then you have to choose the new password. Okay, and you have to give the combine like symbol or letter and capital, lowercase, uppercase. Then it will be really strong your password, because it's the online security. It needs online security, and if you have any privacy, then you can turn on the authentication code and confirm here. And after that, simply click on the save, then your password will be successfully changed or set. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.